If you can't have it in the restaurant, why not make it at home to quench your craving? Today I made KFC chicken as requested from my kids. They said, "Mommy, we want to eat KFC." I said, "Okay." As the best mom and as the best chef, I said, "Okay, let's get started." So I'm going to show you guys. In a bowl, I added 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of corn flour, a pinch of salt, chicken spice, and chicken seasoning cubes. I'm going to add that, and then I'm going to mix very well with my spoon. You can make use of spatula. I'm going to mix very well to combine. After that, I'll get a bowl, crack in my eggs. I use 3 eggs for this recipe. I added liquid milk, 1 tablespoon is enough. I went in with my chicken seasoning, a little salt, a little chicken seasoning cubes, and then I give that a very good mix until well combined. So here I have my chicken that I marinate overnight. Sorry, I did not film this, but what I used is liquid milk, chicken seasoning, chicken spice, and a little salt. That is what I use to marinate this chicken. I left it in the fridge overnight to use the next day. Here is our flour, our egg, and then the chicken. I go in the flour first, coat it with flour, and then I'll go in with the egg, coat with egg, then I will go back to the flour. This is how we are going to double coat this chicken to give us a very crunchy and nice chicken, just like KFC. So my love, if you have watched to this extent, why not give this video a thumbs up? If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, feel free to subscribe to join this family. So this is how I coated all the chicken, and now it's time for frying. I went in with onion. It is optional, but it gives it a good taste too. I went in with the chicken. When you are frying, make sure you are frying in a medium heat. Do not fry in a very hot oil, so your chicken will even cook properly. So it will not just cook outside and then the inside will not be cooked. It will not be okay. So it has to be very crunchy outside, and then inside it has to be, moist. It has to be moist and cooked properly. So here our chicken is ready. It is well fried. It is giving KFC. Are you still watching this video? Please, if you are still watching this video, let me know where you are watching me from, so I can give you a hug for at least watching to this extent. So my love, this is the outcome of the chicken. As you can see, the inside, it is properly cooked. This is the inside of the chicken. It is properly cooked and very, very crunchy inside. So I went ahead to serve my family, to serve my kids and my husband. So this is how the chicken was looking like. So we had it with fried potatoes to give us KFC feeling. Thank you guys for watching this video. Remain blessed and see you in my next video. Bye bye.